Hello students, in last session we learned how to read numbers and how to put comma in Indian system and according to international system of numeration. Here see some measures of length, weight and capacity. You know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. These are all the units of length. Then for weight, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 liter is equal to, this is the unit for capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now we will use this in word problem. Here is some examples given in your textbook. Let us see some examples. First and second example is very easy, so you can solve this by yourself. See example 3. The town newspaper is published every day. One copy has 12 pages. Every day 11,980 copies are printed. How many total pages are printed every day? Here you have to find total pages. One copy has 12 pages. So put the simple statement. For one copy has 12 pages. One copy has 12 pages. How many copies are printed? 11,980. Therefore, for 11,980 copies is equal to how many pages? One copy has 12 pages. Therefore, for 11,980 copies, you have to find the pages, number of pages. So, do the cross multiplication. So, 11,980 multiplied by 12. Here 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1 in carrying, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19, 1 in carrying, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3, 2 1s are 2. Now put 0 for 2, 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. 0, 0 plus 6, 6, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 in carrying, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carrying, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 1, 1. So, our answer is every day 1,43,760 pages are printed. Now the next example. In next example, The number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Here number of sheets are 75,000. Each sheet, that means one sheet makes 8 pages. From one sheet we get 8 pages of a notebook. Each notebook, that means one notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the paper available? Here first we will find total number of pages and then we will find number of notebooks. So to find total number of pages, we have given that how many sheets we have? Number of sheets is equal to 75,000. And from one sheet we make 8 pages. So first, for find the number of pages, put the statement. One sheet makes 8 pages. From one sheet we can make 8 pages. So from 75,000 sheets is equal to, so do the cross multiplication. So first do multiplication. 75,000 multiplied by 8. 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 4 in carrying, 8 sevens are 56 plus 4, 60. So here 6 lakhs pages. Thus 6 lakhs pages are available. For making notebook, we have 6 lakh pages. Now we will find the number of notebook. Here is given that each notebook contains 200 pages. What is given? One notebook contains 200 pages. This is given. Now for find the number of notebook, we will put another statement. 200 pages make one notebook. Therefore, how many pages we have? 6 lakh pages. 6 lakh pages make question mark. So, do the cross multiplication. 6 lakh multiply by 1 upon 200. So here 0 0 cut. Now we will divide. You can cut also this. 6 3 2 3s are 6 and this, or you can do division. 6 lakh divide by 200. 200 3s are 600 minus 0 0 second 0 So the answer is 3000. Therefore, 3000 notebooks can be made. Here first we have find number of pages, then number of notebooks. Now exercise 1.1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Very simple and very easy. You can easily solve these by doing sum. Add these 4 and you can get the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So do it by yourself. Second, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Here, number of runs scored by Shekhar is 6,980 and target of run to be scored is 10,000. Right? So the number of runs needed more is equal to 10,000 minus 6,980. So you will get the answer that this minus this, 10,000 minus 6,980. After doing the subtraction, you get the answer. That is the answer that more runs does he need. Third, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? Here, the number of votes secured by the successful candidate is 5,77,500 and the number of votes secured by his rival is 3,48,700. So, the margin of what? What margin? Your question is what margin? So, the margin of votes is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Do the subtraction and you get the answer. So, this sum also you can do by yourself. Next, Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books of worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Together means do the sum of these two numbers. In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Here, first week is equal to rupees 2,85,891 and second week is first week is equal to rupees 2,85,891. Second week is equal to rupees 4,768. What is the question? This. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? 2 weeks together. That means do the addition of these 2 weeks sale. So first we will do addition. 2,85,891 plus rupees 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carrying, 8 plus 8, 16, 5 plus 1, 6, 8, 4 plus 2, 6. So, the total sale for the 2 weeks together for the 2 weeks together is equal to rupees 6,86,659. Now in the same example, next question, in which week was the sale greater? You can see in the second week the sale is greater. Here from 2 weeks, in the second week the sale is greater. By how much? So we will do subtraction from, we will subtract 2,85,891 from 4,768. 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 1. So put 10. 16. Here 6. 16 minus 9. 7. 6 minus 8. So again here put 16 and here 9. 9. 3. 16 minus 8. 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So, the sale was greater in the second week. The sale was greater in the second week, and by how much? By rupees 1,14,877. So try to solve the exercise question number 1 to 4 by yourself.